Guys, welcome back to the channel, and everything we need today to finish the dock lights project from Lumary should be sitting on the table right now. We do have a Dewenwils Wi-Fi low voltage transformer to try to power just those lights. We have a power stake. We already have power out there, so we're going to be adding this. And that is it. We have some low voltage landscaping wire. So what we have to do is untie all the dock lights from the existing wire that we did last time. Really wasted the whole day on that. And then tie everything into this new low voltage transformer with this new wire and mount this stake and mount this out on the dock somehow. So we're gonna be doing that today. Let's get busy. Guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Lumary Dock Lights video, where we're going to attempt to get these dock lights working now that we do have a independent transformer. They would not work last time when they were tied in with the other lights. So we have all the stuff right here. All we have to do is get everything out to the dock, get our water hose out so if the alligators start harassing us, we can spray them down, and get straight to work getting this stuff installed. So let's go do that now. All right, the first thing we need to do here is get this power stake mounted and this transformer, and we have power right here already. We're going to be mounting the spike right here. So let's go ahead and do that now. And we have the water if the nice alligators decide to come harass us. They're not coming near me. They're getting sprayed if they do. So we're just going to mount the stake right here next to the fence. And we already have power. I'll tape that up later. But you can see right here, we do have power on our meter already. And this is a timer, or it just is off or on. So we're just going to be leaving it on. There's concrete down here somewhere. So that's going to get powered. And then this guy is going to sit on the dock itself, but I'm just going to mount it. I'm not mounting it to the fence. I'll mount it right here and power it. I'm going to power this like that and then just screw it onto the dock like that. Now I might try to see if I just tie into the first light, if they all start working. They might, not sure. There's an alligator right there. Let's try this first. Let's try tying into the existing to see if that works. I don't see why it would, because it didn't work last time. Okay guys, I have completely given up on this. This is the most ridiculous thing ever. These older transformers use the EcoPlugs app, and they're almost impossible to get linked. I'm returning this, and I'm getting the one that I have on the other side that uses the Dewenwils app, because this is terrible. I'm over it. Okay guys, while I am out here, I am going to go ahead and take advantage of having all the tools out. I only have a couple of these newer style lights available, but well, that's not good. Never good. I'm going to go ahead and replace these now while I have a chance and throw these old lights away. It's a very short wire. These just look better. I don't mind the old ones out in the yard. I just don't have enough of these. This is a very, very short wire, and it is very corroded. Let's see if I can get wire nuts on it. Should be able to. Okay, that should work. We can test it. Walk around here and fire that one up. It's on. Cool. That's going to be all of the ones I have. Maybe I can find another set of these online. Wire's so brittle. I know it's going to stop working after a few years. It's turning like oxidized. And we are ready to test this one. That is the last light that I have. It is on. Success. We did receive our brand new timer from Dewenwils. This is the upgraded version of it that I already have that works with the Dewenwils app. I will not buy another timer that uses eco plugs. It is just ridiculously convoluted and hard to manage and does not work well. So this one will work with the Dewenwils app, which we are installing right now on the Google Pixel. We're gonna go ahead and configure this inside the house though, and then take it outside. And let's do that now once this is installed on the phone. Okay, we do have the device sitting here and it is flashing in slow mode on the Wi-Fi, or at least it was on for half a second, so it does work. All right, so we have the app open here and all we have to do is hit plus, add device, and it is looking for the device. It did find the device here now, add, and we'll go ahead and put in the password for Wi-Fi. And it does say the device is being added now, and notice it comes up with a Japanese or Chinese character. RGB, let's call it dock RGB. And click done. And now this is a steady light on this device, meaning it is connected. So when we go down to the dock, hopefully we don't have any issues with it connecting to Wi-Fi. So we are out here with the Lumary Deck Lights. We're going to wrap this project up tonight because I was finally able to get them all added to a group. I emailed the company, they showed me how to do that, and you can see right here and right now they are all working together and they are synchronized. And this is how it looks from the edge of the yard looking over the pool, and they look awesome. I'm hyped. I'll take a couple of pictures, really good high resolution pictures of this. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and please support Lumary. They were so generous to give us their dock lights that are actually on the dock. We'll start in the studio now with Supercar Street Racing and Brad and see how you can buy your own Lumary dock lights. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am Brad, if you don't know me already, and I'm so happy to have you at the Supercar Street Racing 4K production studio today. And today we're talking about the Lumary, and I know I made a mistake about 20 times and called them dock lights. I guess I'm just kind of fascinated with the fact that I actually do have a dock. But they're actually called the Lumary Smart Deck Lights. And when we talk about these, I want you to understand one thing. These are not plug and play into a 110 volt outlet. These are actually low voltage. You will need a low voltage transformer, and everything you need to make this work will be in the description of the video. I also have the hub here to show you guys. Now this hub allows you to do smart Wi-Fi functionality with voice. So buy this hub as well, it will be in the description. And these things are pretty cool. You can mount them on a fence, or you can mount them really to anything. All you need is a low voltage transformer, some low voltage wire, the Lumary Deck Lights, and the Lumary hub. And I was able to get them all grouped together into the Lumary hub. and then I was able to control them with voice. Guys, check it out here. They have a total of 4.3 star reviews, and they are $139, but there is a 15% coupon, and there's 3 other promotions you can check out right here also. And make sure when you purchase anything from Amazon, doesn't matter what it is, you click through any of my product links. Even if you don't buy this particular item, you don't buy the hub or the dock lights, you still help me out greatly because I get just a little bit of money from the purchase. And that helps keep the channel going. So here's the deck lights right here. They're super easy to mount. They come with a short cable attached to each light. You just screw them on and that's it. And you're ready to go. Add it to the Lumary app or add the BR Mesh Hub as well if you want to control all of them via voice, and you are good to go. I did speak with the manufacturer of these and they were so gracious to provide these to the channel. But we got to go right now. We got to lower our power bill by $1 million.